Ah, shit. See, I have already sandal with some sort of condom here. Don't know what is it, but that really sucks, actually, pretty sucks. Yo, this is the part of the Bali, part of Seminyak, where it's actually quite busy. I'm not sure why, but it is, at least little bit. Wow, what is this? This one, they have like a fire, something from the rubbish, what the beach brings. Anyway, this is the Legian 66 side, and a little bit of rubbish also over there. Over there is the Legian, where I vlogged last time, and this is the Bakso area of 66. But Legian side, people coming, it's about sunset time in 1 hour, so they coming, having a Bakso. And meanwhile, this is little bit pretty sad view of the rubbish situation, what is currently in Bali during the rainy season, or some people it's rubbish season. Yo, what's up world? I'm Damian from The Monkeys. Siema, dzień dobry, how you doing? I hope so you're keeping well. Today I wanted to show you a place where it's actually kind of busy, let's say. It's not super busy, but there are some people around. As you see, there's the place where is the Bakso. On the other side is 66 beach and the 66 hotel. And this is like, there will be the fire something when it's dry, they're gonna burn this. They just collect this on the beach. There's the wood, there is the sandals, fishing nets, and on the other side they are just kids swimming in the ocean, and they are rubbish over there, and the people eating bugs over there. And this is like when you're coming to Bali in December, in January, February. Well, that's how it is. And the situation with the rubbish, it's pretty serious in Bali and in Indonesia, especially during the winter time. Yeah, there is also glass there, over there, so be careful how you step. So the water is coming, you step, they are rubbish, quite many rubbish. You have to be careful, and I believe people was actually cleaning this because they own the businesses there, so it's not like as it's not clean, they clean it. But yeah, oh shit, I step on something, we have to be careful. And the kids playing here just simply next to the rubbish. This is pretty sad, but kids are happy. Maybe they don't understand, not sure. There is the Bakso, like I said, and we are heading more into direction of clubbing. There's supposed to be many tourists. By the way, check this out. This is like a coconut tree. Also, guys, this is nothing new. Every single year, since many years back, it's like that. Every single year during the winter season, rain season, starting from December, we have views like this on the beach, and you just have to be ready for that. I have to say, you have to be ready. This is nothing new. I don't wanna, because I know after these videos in the next 3 months, 4 months, I'm gonna get a lot of hate speech through the business owners who own the businesses on the beach, especially from the foreigners who are general managers from around the hotels here, and also some local people probably will be not happy as I'm showing you beach. But it's not like I'm gonna remove myself from the beach for another 4 months. You know me, guys, I always show you everything how it is. And maybe if I'm gonna show more like this, and more YouTubers, more people gonna talk about that widely, maybe somebody gonna start doing something with this problem, because this is actually huge problem. And now I'm under the water and I can feel so many rubbish under my feet. I hope so they are only plastic, no other things like idol or I don't know, any glass, because I wouldn't be happy if I'm gonna cut my feet right now. It's also possible, and it also happens many times actually to the people. Ah, shit. See, I have already sandal with some sort of condom here. Don't know what is it, but that really sucks, actually, pretty sucks. Not easy life. There are also business owners here, they clean the beaches, and who they have a warung like this one, since they clean it. But later the waves gonna bring tomorrow another portion of rubbish, and there will be rubbish all the time. Also, very interesting fact, in previous years, all the blame for this rubbish what we have right now on the beach, there was blame for the tourists, like foreigners who come to Indonesia. They put a lot of rubbish here everywhere. When I drink water from the glass bottle, but most of the rubbish actually, there is no tourist, international tourists coming for 2 years. There's not possible as the rubbish coming from the international tourists, guys. And also, most of this rubbish here, they are not even like a water, plastic, like a food, something. It's not even coming from the Bali. It's coming from the much further parts of Indonesia. For example, local water companies, they don't even import this water to Bali, but the plastic bottles or the cups, because many of them, they drink like a water, like a cups from the yogurt or something. But one thing, the business owners who own the warungs here, the bars, they cleaning the beach. They cleaning to keep clean for their customers. That's definitely, that's what I said already, and they do it this very well. Unfortunately, the waves bringing the rubbish all the time, so they have to do it all the time at the same time. And it seems like also many people making pictures of this. And here we go, this is the La Plancha in Seminyak, probably the most busiest place in Seminyak, Legian. I can see 90% of people, maybe 85, 90% of people, they are local, domestic. However, there's some foreigners also. Some lads already come here, and some girls, ladies also, but definitely pretty busy, especially if you are compared to the rest of the parts of Bali, especially Legian, Kuta, or even Canggu, where I showed you in the past, last week, definitely. But this is only one place very popular called La Plancha, but the rest of the more local or foreigner, or I don't know, local or different islands of Indonesia on warungs, just behind us, they are not so successful, not so fortunate to compare to the one specific place where so many local and foreigners, people, everybody are coming all year long. And there is also the horses, but I still feel as they are not so nice to me. I record them a few times. You remember anyway. Cheers, guys. By the way, this is the sparkling water. I don't know how about you. I know in Asian people, they drink still water, but we Europeans, we really have a, I don't know, culture, tradition, or we just like to drink sparkling water. Also, sparkling water in Indonesia is usually sold in the glass bottles, which is actually pretty cool, especially to compare what is here. I mean, to the normal still water is sold in the plastic, which is not really cool, especially we can see right now. Anyway, that's how it's quickly, briefly, life is going in middle of December 2021. Kind of busy, I could say. It's busier than other areas of Bali. It's maybe even busier than Canggu, but only in this specific few places on the beach, because I will show you maybe next few days Jalan Arjuna in Seminyak and the gay district in Seminyak, and well, there is definitely kind of quiet to compare to this one, but this is beach, and well, many people coming for the sunset. Like these people, they own the business here, they own the warung, and they clean beach. Unfortunately, they have to do it all the time, every single day, but they're doing well, pretty well. At least, maybe if will be more warungs here, will be cleaner. I don't know. It's hard to say, right? Look at this doggo with the sunglasses, by the way. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section if you will allow your child to swim in this water today, like local kids do. I don't know if it's normal for them or you will do the same. I don't have a kid, so you can let me know. I'm very curious about that, but if I will have a kid, I will don't let him for sure. Terrible idea, in my opinion, but maybe it's something what I don't know. I'm very curious. What is your opinion about that? And in case if you are thinking where they store the rubbish, so they store in the corner next to the electric generator on the parking area just next to the street. Also, to change the topic a little bit, on the street here where the cars and bikes park on the left, on the right, the entrance to the beach is kind of busy, could say, and the street is also kind of busy. But in Legian, this is Seminyak direction. In this direction, where is the gate, what I showed you last time, they will be empty. So that's how it is. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Big thumb up if you like it. Comment below what do you think, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.